Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. Yeah, let us have a discussion. The question here. Yeah, good evening, all of you. Again, we started the live sessions, dear students. Today, every day you observe in our channel in the community tab. At what time the live session will be there, whether it is Maths A, Maths B, or Maths 2A, Maths 2B, you can see in that. According to my free time, I will give the Maths 2B or Maths 2A, or in the next week, some students are requesting to give that vectors. Vectors also in the next week I will provide. The second bit and third bit also I am making that. So I hope everyone completed the Pongal holidays in AP and TS. Now we will enter into the again studies in intermediate. Anyway, sessions are going on. Number of videos are available in our channel. First year or second year students, you can utilize. Any doubts are there? Any requirement concepts or topics are there? You can write in the comment box after completing of the session. 100% I will fulfill in my free time. I hope you know that. Now come to quadratic equations live session 2. In the previous classes, quadratic equations, we discussed that MSET 2024 preparation plan. We are in that. This is the second video in that. If one root of the equation x minus 1 into 7 minus x equal to lambda is 3 times the other. So one root is 3 times of the other for the quadratic equation. First quadratic equation you write it under, making it to the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So x minus 1 into 7 minus x is equal to lambda 7x minus x square minus 7 plus x, here lambda it is. So minus lambda equal to 0. So minus x square multiplying by minus, it comes as x square, 7x plus x, 8x minus 8x. Here minus lambda minus 7. So both are multiplying by minus now. So what comes here? Plus 7 plus lambda is equal to 0. Condition is provided, one root is thrice the other. One root is alpha, another root is 3 alpha. I hope you understand. One root is 3 times of the other. So one root is alpha, another root is 3 alpha. So from this, I want the value of lambda. First, after getting of lambda, they are asking to find. First, root also we need to calculate now alpha value. Sum of the roots, alpha plus 3 alpha is equal to minus b by a. So minus of minus 8 by 1. So 8. 4 alpha is equal to 8, alpha is equal to 2. It is a quadratic equation in terms of alpha means it is a root. Now, product of the roots you take it. Alpha into 3 alpha is equal to lambda plus 7. So what is the need of taking this one? No need. See how it is. Alpha is equal to 2, substitute in this equation. F of x is equal to x square minus 8x plus 7 plus lambda. Whenever alpha is equal to 2 is a root 2 here, and 3 into 2 6. So f of 2 is equal to 0. F of alpha you write it first. So that implies wherever alpha, f of alpha what? It comes alpha square minus 8 alpha plus 7 plus lambda. Whenever alpha is equal to 2 is a root, then f of alpha equal to 0. This clear information I am providing dear students for your understanding purpose. F of alpha means alpha is equal to 2 only, no? So in place of this 2 square minus 8 into 2 plus 7 plus lambda equal to 0. 4 minus 16 plus 7 plus lambda equal to 0. Minus 16 plus 11, how much? Minus 5 plus lambda equal to 0. Lambda equal to 5. So lambda equal to 5, they are asking to find 3 lambda. So multiplying by 3 on both sides. 3 lambda equal to 5 into 3, that is equal to 15. Therefore, 3 lambda equal to 15. So it is there in the second option, dear students. So some Telugu medium students are there. For them, I am explaining now. ఒక quadratic equation ఇచ్చారు ఇక్కడ. ఒక root 3 times అన్నాడు. One root is 3 times of the other. But one root is alpha, another root is 3 alpha అనుకుంటున్నాం. So quadratic equation you can simplify like this. ఇలా ఈ విధంగా సింప్లిఫై చేసి ax square plus bx plus c ఫార్ములా రాసాం. ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ ఇవి రూట్స్ ఏమన్నా ఒక రూట్ వన్ రూట్ ఈస్ 3 టైమ్స్ ఆఫ్ అదర్ అంటే ఒక రూట్ ఆల్ఫా అయితే ఇంకొక రూట్ 3 ఆల్ఫా అవుతుంది. సో సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద రూట్స్ తీసుకున్నాం. ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ 3 ఆల్ఫా ఈక్వల్ టు 8. సో 4 ఆల్ఫా ఈక్వల్ టు 8. ఆల్ఫా ఈక్వల్ టు 2. ఆల్ఫా ఈక్వల్ టు 2 అంటే ఆల్ఫా అనేది రూట్ కదా ఇక్కడ. సో ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ఫా ఈక్వల్ టు 0 కావాలి. ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఏంటి? ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 8x ప్లస్ 7 ప్లస్ లాంబ్డా ప్లస్ 0. సో ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ఫా ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అంటే ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ఫా స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 8 ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ 7 ప్లస్ లాంబ్డా ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఆల్ఫా ప్లేస్లో 2 రాసేసామంటే ఆల్ఫా ఈక్వల్ టు 2 కాబట్టి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 4 మైనస్ 16 ప్లస్ 7 ప్లస్ లాంబ్డా ఈక్వల్ టు 0. 7 ప్లస్ 4 11 అవుతుంది. 11 మైనస్ 16 ఎంత? మైనస్ 5. మైనస్ 5 ప్లస్ లాంబ్డా ఈక్వల్ టు 0. సో లాంబ్డా ఈక్వల్ టు 5. వాడు అడుగుతుంది ఏంటంటే 3 లాంబ్డా గురించి అడుగుతుంది. మల్టిప్లైంగ్ బై 3 ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్. సో 3 lambda equal to 5 into 3 15. Okay, dear students, we'll move on to the another question. If the quadratic equation ax square plus 2cx plus b equal to 0 and ax square plus 2bx plus c equal to 0 have common root, then the value common root and both the equations are having common root. Let the common root will be alpha percentage. So for this equation, common root is alpha. Alpha is common root. Alpha is common root of ax square plus 2cx plus b equal to 0 and ax square plus 2bx plus c equal to 0. In place of x, substitute alpha. So what it comes? A alpha square plus 2c alpha plus b equal to 0. Next, a alpha square plus 2b alpha plus c equal to 0. In both the equations, in place of x, substituted alpha. So subtracting. Sir, why is that subtracting? These two are same. You can subtract. Minus, minus, minus. These two will be cancelled. In these two terms, 2 alpha take common. C minus b is there. So plus b minus c. So 2 alpha into c minus b is equal to b minus c. We can take that side, c minus b will come. C minus b get cancelled. 2 alpha equal to 1. Alpha equal to 1 by 2. Are you able to see? Yes, you are able to. So alpha is equal to 1 by 2 means in place of x, substitute alpha. Alpha is a root. So a alpha square plus 2c alpha plus b equal to 0. In place of alpha, substitute 1 by 2. So a into 1 by 2 whole square plus 2c into 1 by 2 plus b equal to 0. 2 to get cancelled. A by 4 plus c plus b equal to 0. Take LCM. 4 is the LCM. A plus 4c plus 4b equal to 0. So a plus 4b plus 4c equal to 0. Okay, dear students. A plus 4b plus 4c value they are asking. 0 we got it. So third option is the right option. I hope you understand. I'll move on to the another set of questions. Those who are watching, please you can share to the live session. So it will help in IPA also. The next question. Let alpha beta be the roots of x square minus 4x plus a equal to 0 and gamma delta be the roots of x square minus 36x plus b equal to 0 and alpha, beta, gamma and delta are forms an increasing GP, then which of the following is true? So first option is provided, B equal to 81 times of A. Second option is given A value 3. Third option is given B equal to 243 and fourth option is given all are true. So this is the way they are asking to find the question, dear students. We can give the answer in gentle way and we need to understand the question thoroughly according to that. So how to do that? Any idea? I'll see in the chart. No one is coming to the chart. So okay. So first quadratic equation, x square minus 4x plus a equal to 0. For this equation, what are the roots? Alpha and beta only, no? So for this, alpha, beta are the roots. So according to this, alpha plus beta, sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. So minus of minus 4 by 1. Product of the roots, alpha, beta is equal to c by a. C means what? A. Okay, that is over. Now come to the second equation. X square minus 36x plus b equal to 0. For this equation, what are the roots? They mentioned as gamma and delta. Gamma and delta. Okay, sum of the roots and the product of the roots. Gamma plus delta is equal to 36. Gamma into delta equal to b. Till here easy to understand. But next step only important step. Alpha, beta, gamma and delta forms an increasing geometric progression. So alpha, beta, gamma and delta forms an increasing GP, geometric progression. So that means alpha is equal to A, beta equal to AR, gamma equal to AR square, and delta equal to AR cube. So what is the advantage to do this? Alpha plus beta we can calculate. So alpha plus beta is equal to 4, that is equal to A plus AR, that means A plus 1R. We got this information now. Next, gamma plus delta also we can take it now. Gamma plus delta is equal to 36. From these two also AR square take common 1 plus R. You put it in the box. Now this equation by this equation. Equation number 1, equation number 2. Later on I will discuss here also. So 2 by 1. Are you able to see? Yes, you can. So equation 2 what indicates? This one. 36 by 4 is equal to AR square into 1 plus R by A into 1 plus R. Here A, here 1 plus R, here 1 plus R cancel. 4 ones, 4 nines. So 9 is equal to R square. So R square is equal to 9. That implies R is equal to 3. Here they mentioned increasing GP. So you cannot consider minus. So R is equal to 3. Only plus 3 can consider. Whenever R is equal to 3, alpha beta values we can calculate. And this value is also will calculate. From equation 1 implies, what is equation 1? 4 equal to A into 1 plus R. R value what we got it here? 3. So 4 equal to A into 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 means 4 only, no? 4 is equal to 4A. A is equal to 1. A value we got it. R value also we got it. Now alpha, beta, gamma, delta we will calculate. Alpha is equal to A, that is equal to 1. Beta is equal to AR. A 1 into 3, that is equal to 3. Next gamma. AR square. A into R square. So 1 into 3 square. 9. Next delta. A into R cube. 1 into. So R cube means 3 cube. 27. But here the thing is the values B in terms of A. So alpha beta we need to calculate. Gamma delta also we need to calculate. So alpha beta equal to capital A. Capital A. Capital A value. Alpha into beta we know. Alpha value is 1. Beta value is 1 into 3. That is equal to 3. A value 3. So A value 3 means B is correct. First. Alpha beta is equal to 3. That is equal to A. Next. B value. Gamma delta. That is equal to B. Gamma is what? Gamma is 27. Sorry, 9 into delta means 27. 27 into 9, 243. So 243. B value also we got it 243. But B value they are writing as 81 times of A. Can we write 81 into 3? 3 means A only, no? So 81 times of A. So by observing this type of questions, clearly you remember, students, this type of question you can concentrate. So here A value 3 we got it in this. 81. B is equal to 81 times of A also we got it. And B is equal to 243 also we got it. So from this what we are observing, all the 3 options are true according to the question. I hope you understand it, students. This is the way you can do that. Yeah, I will move to the another question. Till that time, I will wait for half minute. Alternate days quadratic equations as well, trigonometry also, MSET preparation plan I will continue along with IPA also schedule. Yeah, I'm going to drop this. Take a screenshot those who want. The next question, if 1 plus k into tan square x minus 4 tan x minus 1 plus k equal to 0 has real roots tan x1 comma tan x2, then first option k square is less than or equal to 7, k square is greater than or equal to 5, k square is greater than or equal to 7, k square is less than or equal to 5. So which of the following option is correct among the following? I'll come to that. So given quadratic equation, ఇచ్చిన quadratic equation 1 plus k tan square x minus 4 tan x minus 1 plus k equal to 0. వాడు ఇచ్చిన quadratic equation has real roots. Real roots అంటే ఏంటి? డెల్టా గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. దాని బేస్ మీద మనకి క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చారు విత్ ద బేసిస్ ఆఫ్ రియల్ రూట్స్. సో బేస్డ్ ఆన్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ డిస్క్రిమినెంట్ base with each other. First, you write the given quadratic equation 1 plus k into tan square x minus 4 tan x plus we can write it as k minus 1 instead of minus 1 plus k you write it like this. So compare with a x square, a tan square, this is a value, so b value minus 4, c value k minus 1. Since real roots, since equation 1 has real roots, delta greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so that implies that delta greater than or equal to 0, b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. What is b square minus 4 whole square? Minus 4 into 1 plus k. C value k minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Minus 4 whole square 16. Minus 4 into k minus 1 into k plus 1. K square minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. 16 minus 4k square plus 4 greater than or equal to 0. So 20 minus 4k square greater than or equal to 0. So that implies here 4 take common, 5 minus k square is greater than or equal to 0. So that implies 4 bring that side, 5 minus k square is greater than or equal to 0. 5 is greater than or equal to k square That implies k squared is less than or equal to 5. So the value of k square question is less than or equal to 5. It is there in the fourth option, dear students. Only the concept, the question is given based on the concept of discriminant. So the real rules means delta greater than or equal to 0. We got the condition. I hope you understand. We'll move on to the another question. Yeah, I'll move to another question. These type of theoretical conceptual questions also they will ask. If the roots of a square x square plus 2bx plus c square equal to 0 or imaginary, then the roots of b into x square plus 1 plus 2acx equal to 0 are options. So first option, real and unequal. Second option, imaginary. Third option, real and equal. Fourth option, equal. Equal means only real roots. Only real, that means it is given this. So how to do? This is the conceptual based question. See that? First quadratic equation you write it. For the first quadratic equation roots are what? Imaginary. So first quadratic equation, a square x square plus 2bx plus c square equal to 0. Roots of this equation, are imaginary. Whenever the roots are imaginary, then delta is less than 0. That implies that b square minus 4ac less than 0. What is b square in this? B is equal to 2b. So 2b whole square minus 4 into a value is a square, c value c square. That implies 4b square minus 4a square c square is less than 0. 4 take common and we will bring that side. So b square minus a square c square is less than 0. That implies b square is less than a square c square. B square minus a square c square less than, that means a square c square is big value compared with b square. After that, second quadratic equation also take it now. B into x square plus 1 plus 2acx equal to 0. So bx square plus 2acx b into 1 plus b equal to 0. This equation roots we need to calculate among the 4 options. Which option is going to get it? So this is A, this is B, this is C. If you compare with ax square plus bx plus c, roots calculate, delta value I am calculating. B square minus 4ac. So what is b in place of this? 2ac. So 2ac whole square minus 4 into a value is b, c value is b. So 4a square c square minus 4b square. So 4 take common, a square c square minus b square. Okay. B square is less than a square c square means a square c square is greater than b square only, no? That means a square c square minus b square is greater than 0. Greater than 0 is positive or negative? Greater than 0. So a square minus c square is greater than 0 means this value is greater than 0. That implies that the delta value is greater than 0. Delta when it will be greater than 0? When the roots are real and unequal. That indicates roots are real and unequal. So this is the way you can find out based on this condition, dear students. So twist the question. This type of question we may get in NSET 2024 either in AP or TS. You can understand that. I will move to another question and last question in this session. So more 2 questions are there. Sorry. Even this is also related question. If the roots of a square plus b square into x square minus 2b into a plus c into x plus b square plus c square is equal to 0 are real and equal, then A comma B comma C are in first option GP, second option AP, third option HP and fourth option AZP. So which of the option is going to get it is? So for this question, condition is given what? Roots are real and equal. Real and equal means simply you can calculate delta equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. This is A value, this is B value, this is C value. So according to that given equation has real and equal roots. Real and equal roots. That implies delta equal to 0. So b square, what is b square? This one. So the b square minus 4ac minus 2b into a plus c whole square minus 4 into a value a square plus b square into b square plus c square is equal to 0. So minus 2b whole square 4b square into a plus c whole square a square plus c square plus 2ac minus 4 into actual multiplication a square b square plus a square c square plus b power 4 plus b square c square is equal to 0. 4b square a square plus 4b square c square plus 8b square ac minus 4a square d square minus 4a square c square minus 4b power 4 minus 4b square c square equal to 0. 4b square c square minus 4b square c square cancel. Minus plus 4b square a square minus 4b square a square cancel. That implies that here, even from this also, 4 take common, b square, we have 2b square ac minus a square c square minus b power 4 equal to 0. So 4 bring that side, 2b square ac minus a square c square b power 4 equal to 0. Throughout multiplying by minus. Why I am doing like this means these two will be interchanged. No? B power 4 plus a square c square minus 2b square ac equal to 0. This is the turning step, dear students. Observe carefully. B power 4 can be written as b square whole square. Am I right? A square c square also ac whole square minus 2 into b square into ac equal to 0. The same equation we are writing in this form. Same equation కాబట్టి ఈ ఫామ్ లో రాసాం. ఎందుకు రాసాము? a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. ఇది ఈ ఫామ్ లో ఉంది కాబట్టి it is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a plus b a minus b whole square form ఉంది. So b square minus ac whole square equal to 0. That implies b square minus ac equal to 0. That implies b square equal to ac. B square equal to ac means what? A, B, C are in geometric progression. Or in geometric progression. That means GP. So it is there in the first option, dear students. I hope you understand. We'll move on to the, this is the turning step. Yeah, I'm going to remove this and one more question. This is the last question which I am going to tell, but important model. This type of question regularly they are asking in the MSET exam, either AP or TS. You remember, dear students, this type of question? In solving the equation x square plus ax plus b equal to 0, wrong value of b, wrong value of b, sorry, wrong value of a was taken and the roots were found to be 6 and 2. So this is about this equation. If again a wrong value of b was taken and the roots were found to be minus 2 and 9. This same type of question they may chances to ask in the numbers, they may change, dear students. Like this also you can. Then the roots of original equation or first option minus 3 comma 4, second option minus 7 comma minus 2, third option 3 comma 4, fourth option minus 3 comma minus 4. This type of question regularly they are asking in MSET examination, especially like VIT, BITSAT also. This type of question they are asking regularly. So keep concentrate, dear students. These type of questions. So consider the first quadratic equation. First you read the question thoroughly, everyone. In solving the equation x square plus ax plus b equal to 0, wrong value of a was taken and the roots were found to be 6 comma 2. So for some Telugu medium students, they are English medium but they want to explain in Telugu also. See, x square plus ax plus b equal to 0 quadratic equation lo a అనే వాల్యూ రాంగ్ ఉంది, కానీ దానికి రూట్స్ 6 కామా 2 అయితే, అలాగే సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇదే ఈక్వేషన్కి బి వాల్యూ రాంగ్ ఉంటే దాని రూట్స్ -2 9 అయితే ఒరిజినల్ ఈక్వేషన్కి రూట్స్ ఎలా అవుతాయి, ఏమవుతాయి అనే క్వశ్చన్. సో ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను. ఫస్ట్ కేసు ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఏఎక్స్ ప్లస్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు 0. I am taking 6 comma 2 are the roots. 6 comma 2 are the roots. So according to this, sum of the roots is what? Sum of the roots 6 plus 2 equal to minus b by a. B is equal to what here? A. So minus a. So therefore a is equal to minus 8. Similarly, this is sum of the roots. Sum of roots. Next, product of the roots. Product of roots. Alpha into beta. So b equal to 6 into 2, 12. 12 equal to b. Here they mention clearly for the first case, wrong value of a was taken. So a value is wrong. So this we cannot consider. Only b only consider. First step over, students. First step over. Come to the second step. What is the second step? Again you have to consider x square plus ax plus b equal to 0. For that roots are -2 and 9. Similar procedure you can calculate sum of the roots and product of the roots. So sum of the roots. Sum -2 plus 9 is equal to a. So 7 is equal to a. A value we got it. Similarly, product. What is the product here? 9 into 2. Sorry, 9 into -2. Minus 18 is equal to b. So b value we got it, a value we got it. If again a wrong value of b value is wrong they are saying, a value is right. So ultimately from these four cases, a value right, b value right, we got it, no? So a comma b, right values only. Now the required equation. X square plus ax plus b equal to 0. Right value of a is 7. So x square, is it 7 or minus 7? So 9 minus 2 plus 7 only. So 7x. B value minus 18. Okay, are you correct, dear students? Once I will check that options -2 and 9 only, right? So sum of the roots means sorry, here sum of the roots minus a, no, that's why I am thinking 7. A minus 7 means a value -7, you should get it. So a value -7. Why? Because here minus a I did not take, here I have taken. So A value minus 7. So what comes here? Minus. Product of the roots is as usual minus 2 into 9. So minus 18. Here minus 18 I want to get it. So minus 18 factors. Minus 9 into 2 we can take it now. But here B value, which is right value, not this one. B value is plus 12, we have to write it. So 12 factors 3 and 4. So here minus it means minus 3 minus 4 you take it. So x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 12. Am I right? So x into x minus 3 minus 4 into x minus 3 equal to 0. X minus 3 into x minus 4 equal to 0. So x equal to 3, x equal to 4. What are the correct roots? Then the roots of the original equation. This is the original equation. X square. Sometimes instead of asking the roots, what is original equation also they will ask. Is the original equation కూడా అడగచ్చు. X square minus 7x plus 12. అది కూడా ఆన్సర్ ఆప్షన్ లో ఇవ్వచ్చు. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి స్టూడెంట్స్, నాట్ ఓన్లీ రూట్స్ బట్ ఆల్సో కరెక్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్. X square minus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. So x equal to 3, x equal to 4, which are there in the third option, dear students. I hope you understand what I explained here. In tomorrow's session, if two sessions I will take. One is trigonometry MSET and JEE Mains preparation plan, as well IPA either 2B or 1B I will take it. Thank you dear students for your support. Signing off, Maths with Panindra. If you like this video, it will reach to more students. Please like and share.